Good morning. It's Friday, day 3 of Paducah, and we've had such a great time. It's snowing at home, so any bit of sunshine is more than welcome here. This morning I'm going to show you guys how to make these cute little dragonflies. I made a caterpillar yesterday, and I'll show you that too, but my mother-in-law thought up this idea for doing the butterfly, and it's so cute. I just wanted to share it with y'all. So what I'm going to do is I've got my mini pocket pebblers. So these are available on the website, so www.cscountrystitching.com. You can just search mini pocket pebbler and find that on there. Now this template has a split, and the split's there so we don't have to break thread every single time we want to change sizes of circle. So what I'm going to do is put my foot down in the largest circle, and I'm going to do just a couple little stitches kind of to lock that in place. I want to get rid of this tail because, you know me, I'll have that baby sewed in jig time. So all we're going to do now is we kind of push against the outside edge. We're going to make the large circle first, and that's going to be our head. So now I'm going to just raise my needle, lift my foot. That little thread will zip right through that crack. I go ahead and pop the extra thread up to the top, and I want to just carefully lower my needle back down right on that stitch line and put my foot down. So the next circle I'm going to do 3 of the medium size. So we're going to do 1. When I get back down here to where that crack is, I'm going to slide my template and do now the second one. And back down and slide my template. And the third. And here we're going to go ahead and raise our foot again and raise our needle. Slide that thread right through the crack. Pull the extra bobbin thread to the top, or not bobbin thread, top thread, and set our needle and foot back down in that groove. And we're going to do 2 more in the tiny size and slide down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just do a couple little stitches, lock that down, and I'm going to cut my threads, and we're going to move up. Let me get rid of this back bobbin thread here. We're going to move up and we're going to go ahead and add the wings. So when I'm doing the wings, I'm using there we go, I found it, the flourish. So if you have our beginner set of templates, you already have this little tool. It's called the flourish. I use it to do the leaves and the spines for feathers and stuff. So this little guy is going to work perfect to do our wings. So we're going to stitch this outside curve here, and that's going to be our arcs, just like I do the leaves, same principle. So I'm going to go ahead over here to my dragonfly, put my needle down on that. Ooh, I don't want to lose my thread. That'll make me not happy. We're going to set it down on the middle of the side, so of that second circle. So just do a couple stitches, tack that down, and get rid of the biggest part of that thread anyway. And I'm going to use this larger size. So the top wings on these dragonflies are larger than the bottom ones. If you're worried about getting them the same size, use a piece of painter's tape and add some lines there so you have some sort of reference. So I'm going to go ahead and stop there, turn my template upside down. Want to make sure I leave myself that little 1/8 of an inch gap there because I want to bring this right back to where stop there, needle down. Now I'm going to sneak down so that I'm right. I just followed the edge of that circle. Now I'm still going to use the same template, but this bottom wing is going to be a little smaller. So I'm going to stitch out, stop, turn my template over, and back. So now I've got my bottom wing, and then I'm going to just repeat on the other side. So this time I'm going to do the bottom wing first. and flip so I can get that cute little wing in there. My gas pedal doesn't want to work very good today. It's on strike. I'm going to zip up here to the center part of this row, and I'm going to do the upper wing here. A little bigger, and back. So, cute little dragonfly. I'm just going to do a couple little stitches, tack that down, and now you can see, I should have spread the wing out a little bit more, but you get how it works. So, cute little guy. You can get these all on our website, www.cscountrystitching.com. Watch the tutorials anytime. And if you are in Paducah, you can visit us at booth 4203. We'd love to see you. I'll be here demoing all day. I've got lots of chairs so you can sit and enjoy and ask questions. So I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon and happy quilting.